Hi, this lesson is to help you work through Phonics Unit 29, Lesson 3. In this lesson, students will be reviewing sight words, identify ending sounds in words, creating sentences and checking punctuation, and reading a story silently and aloud. For this lesson, you will need Lesson Guide, pages 767 through 771. You will also need the Phonics Works Activity Book, page 74. You will need the Dictation Notebook, index cards, sight words box, and your whiteboard. The first activity for this lesson is Sight Word Fun. This game is found on page 768 in your lesson guide. For this lesson, for this activity, your student will be learning the words for, she, and her. You can also practice any other sight words that your student has yet to master. The first word, boys and girls, that we will practice today is for. Let's look at this word together. For. F-O-R. Look at this word. Take a picture of it in your mind. When you think you can spell the word for yourself, use your letter tiles to spell the word. Now, did you spell the word for? Let's check it. F-O-R. Did you get it? Good job. The next word for today, the word she. Let's look at this word carefully. She. S-H-E. Now it's your turn. Use your letter tiles and spell the word she. The last word for today, her. Let's spell it together. H-E-R. Her. Now it's your turn. Use your letter tiles and spell the word her. Let's check the words that you spelled. For. F-O-R. She. S-H-E. Her. H-E-R. Great job. For our next activity, boys and girls, you will need to put your listening ears on and help me listen for a secret sound. I'm going to say some groups of words. I want you to listen for the secret sound at the end of each word. So we will be listening for the ending sound. Are you ready? Here is your first group of words. Batch, notch, pitch. What is the secret sound you hear at the ending? If you said ch, you got it correct. Listen to the next group of words. Pack, quick, duck. What sound do you hear at the end? Very good. The ending sound for these words is k. Here's another group of words. Clock, zack, luck. What is the ending sound that you hear at the end of these words? Very good. The ending sound is k. Now the last group of words. Latch, botch, hitch. You got it. The ending sound is ch. Good work, boys and girls. Very good. Now we're going to review punctuation that we talked about yesterday. Remember that punctuation is very, very important to help grow and build good readers who are fluent readers. Helps us to understand what we read. Here we see some punctuation, the question mark, exclamation mark, and the period. Today we're going to focus more on the question mark. We see these at the end of asking sentences when it's asking a question. So when we ask someone a question, at the end of the sentence we will see a question mark. Here we see an example of an asking sentence. Let's read it together. Do you visit the library? We can see the beginning starts with a capital letter. All sentences begin with capital letters. The end of this sentence has a question mark. That tells us it's asking us a question. It's an asking sentence. When you ask something, it's great to get an answer. Let's read the next sentence. You can check out a good book. This is a telling sentence. It starts with a capital letter and it ends in a period. The first sentence is a question. The second one is a telling sentence. To practice more with punctuation, visit the comment section below this video to play a video on punctuation. For more practice with asking sentences and question marks, visit the lesson guide on page 769 to complete the activity with your student. The Phonics Works activity book page for today's lesson is page 74, where students will be practicing with putting the right punctuation at the end of sentences. And the final offline activity for this lesson is a dictation activity where students will be writing sentences. The pages for this activity can be found in the lesson guide on page 770 and 771. When you have completed all of the offline activities, be sure to visit the OLS and go back to the games to review sentences. Remember, this is Unit 29, Lesson 3. When you've completed all of the activities, be sure to mark the lesson as complete, enter your attendance, and complete the attendance survey. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.